Hello everyone. Our topic today is wolf attack. As wolves are hungry from time to time, they descend on villages in a wild way and attack sheep. As you can see in the video, wolves mercilessly tear the sheep apart. The sharp teeth of wolves can tear apart the gentle neck of a sheep in a matter of seconds. While the wolves are rapidly tearing the sheep apart, a young shepherd dog arrives. The wolves run away when they see the dog, but when they realize that the dog has not yet completed its development, they attack and tear the sheep to pieces. In such cases, one of them is a female shepherd dog, and one of them must be a male adult shepherd dog. Otherwise, the situation you see in the clip will appear. We have come to the end of one more video. Do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for the continuation of such videos. See you in the next content.